What's going on, Sliderz? It's another beautiful day with the X5 35i sDrive. So we got ourselves a rear-wheel drive X5 today. It's actually my buddy's car, and he said, "Hey, bro, tune my car for me." Okay, let's get to it. So I'm letting my friend borrow my adapter here, but if you guys are tuning your X5, you're gonna need an adapter to be able to flash the car. And then we are going to purchase the licenses. All right, so you're gonna want to go to MHD Tuning on your browser. We're on mhdtuning.com, and here's where you would buy your license. So this is the super license, which is probably like the best bang for your buck, considering that flasher license is $300, and then to buy the map packs is another $120, so we'd be at $427. All right, guys, so we just had a change of heart after looking at how we have to spend $120 for stage 1, and we're just gonna send it and go stage 2, because you know, we're Sliderz, so we're just gonna send it. So stage 2 it is. Let's add stage 2 to the cart and see what the damage is. I have here, so we have the stage 2 map pack and we have the flasher license. So let's agree and let's check out. All right, so it's $427. So the super license is $550. So technically it would be like paying for the flasher license and 2 map packs. So since we aren't going to do E85, we probably never will. We're just gonna get the stage 2 and we should be good from there. So yeah, credit card please. So while he finishes up that payment there, I just gave him a heads up. When you're going to flash stage 2 or even a stage 1, depending how aggressively you drive, there is a risk that your charge pipe can fail if you're pushing a lot of boost, and also if you haven't done any preventive maintenance on the car, you may get a misfire from a faulty spark plug or a faulty ignition coil. So I always recommend before flashing the car that you do your preventive maintenance to avoid any inconveniences on the road, and doing your spark plugs, your coil packs, making sure that your car doesn't have any cooling issues because it will be running hotter, and no oil leaks. So just wanted to get that out the way there, so you guys know that this just isn't as sweet as it seems all the time. You can flash your car if it's high in mileage and it was due for service. So that service is gonna come sooner, way sooner, after you tune the car. So just wanted to let you guys know that. So after you purchase your licenses, you're gonna have the option to click your codes here. So this is for the flasher license and this is for the map packs. So no, you guys cannot use this because it would already be redeemed on our account, so don't even try it. So so just make sure you get these, so that way when we get to the app we can type this in and unlock that option to flash the car. Let's get it. My boy is about to be fast. A fast dad, baby. My boy's about to be a fast dad. Baby boy's gonna be in the back laughing his butt off to those burbles.
Let's go.
MHD. Also make sure your ignition is on. Now we are going to connect to MHD on our Wi-Fi settings. F flash and MHD map. Well, let's go 91 octane. 8 automatic. So we're gonna go to stage 2, 91 for now. We're license key. So put those codes in, okay. Success. So after you put that code in, you should be good. Remember, we bought 2, so there's gonna be 2 codes. So go ahead and grab a second code now. Awesome. So now that we have both codes activated here, press OK. Now you can go back, click the back button there on top left. And now let's go to flash and MHD map. So the long right took 2 minutes and 47 seconds. So that's not bad at all, just so you guys have that as a reference. So we did the long right and we forgot to mess with our burble settings and such, because we know we need that for baby boy. So we have stock downpipes. First of all, we don't have aftermarket downpipes, so my boy doesn't go too crazy. And then we're gonna remove the top speed limiter, of course, because Sliderz don't have limits. Exhaust burbles on. Let's do it. So here we have the exhaust burbles. This here is for when you're driving in regular comfort mode, which is base. And then when you're driving in sport mode, you have 2 different options. So we're gonna keep it OEM on the base, but when we go into sports mode, we are going to put it at 1.5, which is moderate, not too bad. And we are going to put it at medium, because we still have downpipes in here. And we don't want to be cooking them up too much. So we need all that noise we can get. Exhaust flap always open in sport mode, yes. Startup roar, yes, we need that. Limit power by gear, no, we're not gonna mess with that because this is an X5 and we do not need any limits, just to make sure everything's running nice and cool. So that's pretty much it, guys. We don't have port injection or meth, so we're not messing with that. And yeah, we're looking good. Awesome, beautiful. X5 35i is officially tuned, my boy. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Let's go.
Let's do it. My boy is about to slide out in the 35i. This thing is clean. Got a lot of nice carbon accessories. Got the carbon side skirts. Got the carbon rear diffuser. The carbon front lip. The bike rack. This is a pretty clean whip. Start up. Let me hear that start up. Let me hear that. Oh yeah, sounded good. Nice. I think it's a little, it hasn't warmed up yet, so we're not getting those burbles yet, but we will after we go for this ride. Let's go see what this thing does.
Action's off.
Yeah, you got it in sports plus mode.
Oh yeah. Which way we go?
A little something there, a little something there. They pulling, boy. That thing is pulling, my boy. You might have to upgrade these brakes eventually. All right, so we flashed stage 2. It wasn't doing it for us, so we flashed stage 2 plus on a completely stock X5 35i. Remember, it's manual. Woo! And this thing is moving.
Yeah.
This thing is moving. So we are on stage 2 plus, and we also got rolling anti-lag on the X5, and it sounds awesome. Check it out. You hear them burbles? It's awesome, bro. Completely stock X5 on stage 2 plus. Kind of wild. I don't recommend it, but I also like to send it. It's my new motto. Guys, so it was a successful tuning day for the X5. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If it did, subscribe, like, comment, share. And I'll see you on the next one. Stay sliding, stay safe. Peace.